In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable report phishing in Outlook. By the end, you'll have an easy, reliable way to report suspicious emails with a single click, helping keep your inbox and your organization safer. Let's start by turning on the feature. Open Outlook and look toward the top right of the toolbar for apps or add-ins. Click that, then choose Get Add-ins. In the search box, type Report Phishing. When you see the add-in in the results, select it, and click Add. That's all it takes to enable the tool. Once it's added, the Report Phishing button integrates into the Outlook ribbon or the home menu, so it's always close at hand. Just a quick note, the button may take up to 12 hours to appear everywhere, especially if you use Outlook across multiple devices. That delay is normal, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Now, let's talk about using it in newer versions of Outlook on both desktop and the web. When a suspicious message comes in, first select the email in your message list. You're not opening links or replying, you're simply highlighting it so Outlook knows which message you're reporting. Next, look for the Report button. You'll often find it near the top of the window. If it's not immediately visible, open the menu with the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions, and you'll typically see Report there. Click Report, then choose Report Phishing from the drop-down menu. That's it. With that action, you've signaled to Outlook that this message looks malicious, which helps improve protections and can also alert security teams if your account is managed by an organization. A few quick pointers to make this smooth. The button label can vary slightly by layout, but the report option is consistent. If you added the feature but don't see the button yet, remember that it can take a bit of time to roll out, and it will appear in the ribbon or home menu once it's active. When reporting, you only need to select the suspicious email and make the Report Phishing choice. No extra details are required. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.